Schedule constraints in yards or terminals have always been a challenge in railroad operations planning. A precise schedule is required to ensure that the train arrival time is always accurate, in order to prevent an undesirable early arrival and thus congesting the terminal. C-Flex Movement Planner has the right answers to this challenge. All the operator has to do is insert the desired schedule. From then on, all plans will rebuild automatically considering this new scenario. For example, by inserting changes in the train schedule, imposing detentions, and adjusting departure time according to the availability of the destination terminal, it is possible to assess if the departure time of the train or its destination needs to be rescheduled. It is even possible to change activities of given trains during their circulation due to, for example, a destination terminal interruption, in order to prevent dwell time and queuing. C-Flex Movement Planner has been designed to enable circulation strategy changes, taking into account unplanned events occurring at terminals that may affect train schedule. C-Flex Movement Planner prevents managers from wasting time in planning circulation strategies. It allows all managers to work in a quick and integrated way. C-Flex Movement Planner enables queue management at terminals and anticipates the consequences of a schedule change. It helps to decide the feasibility of scheduling trains to other terminals in order to prevent unnecessary dwells. It allows management of multiple resources from labor force to locomotives and wagons in a quick and integrated way. Greater compliance of the circulation plan to the operating rules and principles. As a result, greater compliance to business goals. We want to show C-Flex Movement Planner in action. Give it a trial. See for yourself. It's not just about agility. It's the best response to any event that can happen on a railway across all scenarios. It's the right solution for those who are looking for excellent results.